guys, welcome to Prajna's Universe. Today I am going to show you my brand new makeup kit. This product is from RENEE Cosmetics. Before going to the video, subscribe for Prajna's Universe. Give a thumbs up, chat to your friends and family and your dear teacher. Don't forget to press the bell button. No further delay, come let's go to the video. Today I am going to show you my two products. These are from RENEE Cosmetics. My first product is Unicorn Makeup Kit. The outer package is so cute. Let me open the box. We have 3 different shades of eyeshadow. Let me swatch the colors. We will go to the next product. We have another 3 different shades. Golden is my favorite color. This is the lip and cheating. This is the lip butter. Let me show you the color. And also we have a small mirror. Inside we have a brush. Let me show you how to use this. First we will use the eyeshadow. I have a beautiful color, pink color. I am going to use this. It is so beautiful. I am going to apply my lip butter. Let me try the cheek tint. Hope you all like this video. Please subscribe Prajna's Universe. Thanks for watching.